everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Viva Wallet payment gateway integration for Odoo. It enables the secure and the seamless online payments. It supports the multiple currency like the USD, Euro, and offering the real-time payment confirmation and multiple payment methods. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database, and now I'm just going to the website module, and under the configuration you will find one option for the payment providers. So here I'm selecting the Viva Wallet as a payment provider. So for the first you have to enable it in the test mode, and if you wish to select the website you can also select it. After that you have to add the access credentials and the checkout credentials for the same. Under the configuration, you will see the supported currencies, and you can also able to manage the messages for the warnings. Now I'm just going to the shop page and selecting one product and add it to the cart. Here I'm selecting the Viva Wallet as a payment provider and going to pay for the same. So here you can see the payment wizard is open. So we have already entered the card details and I'm just going to pay for the same. You can see our payment is successfully done. Now I'm just going to the website. You will find the option for the payment transactions. So I'm selecting the latest one. So here you can see the payment method and the provider, and one provider reference is also created for the same. If you want to check the sale order, you just click on this. You can able to track all the details for the sale order. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.